we're always trying to target majors that don't necessarily have 3D printers available for their students because it's not really part of the curriculum. We've also expanded to more resin printing, as well as metal 3D printing, which is a huge add. And then we've added a laser cam, so something you could laser cut wood, acrylic, plastics and stuff. We've got computers right behind me that have every CAD software that's used on campus, every modeling software used on campus, some coding softwares. The hope is that if you have an idea, you could start maybe digitizing that idea into some kind of fruition. You would get hands-on with maybe some wood or foam or clay or something to get your hands on to start taking your ideas from that digital and conceptual realm into something physical. So you go from your conceptual idea that you've kind of rough-hewn into a fabrication space to make that a more decisive piece. You sand it down, maybe add some electronics, and then once you've got a rough prototype, you come back in here and you measure those metrics. Does it meet what your initial idea was? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe you need to go through another cycle and you start the whole process over. You can bring just your wish and a dream and then go to hopefully a fully functional piece. We want to lower the bar for entry by any means possible. So not being behind a particular academic college. As a library, we facilitate all of our campus needs. And so we want to make our accessibility really, really open. So we welcome everybody from campus, no holds bar, whatever discipline, whatever major.
Live out of here and then tape it together. They won't be like super low camera.